Hello everyone, I'm here. I'm back again, Wilmaline. So today I'm gonna make accessories for my handbag, and this is definitely my first time, so finger crossed that will be perfectly good. So what we're gonna need is this clip thing, some pearls, and some blingy blingy that I found in Hobbies and Crop, and I really love it. Look at that shiny. I love bling bling. And of course you're gonna need this string, and what I got just now is the scissor, and supposed to be this one is for your eyebrows, but this is definitely my first time, so please don't judge me, and I'm trying my best, and if it is all perfectly good, and I'm gonna start making accessories for my handbag. So let's start. So we're gonna start with a hook and just use this string, put it in. We're using double, so that should be okay, and I'm gonna take extra length so I got a little space in case it doesn't fit. So that's how long. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock it, like just when you tie your shoes, just like this. Make it double. Or if you're not satisfied, make it triple, just to make it strong enough. Yes, and I think I'm satisfied with it. 3. Yeah, that's strong enough. And then I'm gonna proceed doing the start with the pearl. So as you can see, this is double. It's not level, but you can level it up so it can go in straight to the hole. So that's it look like there. And then I'm gonna do tie again, just to tighten up so it doesn't go all over. Twice. And you try it if it's soft to get in. So it seems to be soft, so I'm gonna make it more until it's not loose. So it's loose, so it's good now. The pearls stay because you don't want the pearl to roll and roll while you are wearing it. So now we're gonna go to the sparkle one again. So that's it look like. Again, you're gonna do tie 3 times or 4 times. I don't know how much tight you want. 2. This is quite big hole for the silver one, so you might need more. So that's tight enough, but I'm not satisfied, so I'm gonna go roll again for number 4. Am I right? Number 4. Okay, I think it's tight enough because I can't move anymore. As long as you cannot move, then that should be fine. So let's go ahead. So you're just gonna go continue it. Pearl, silver, and then tie as much as you want, as long as it's tight enough. So we're almost done, and it's not quite finished. I think we need more beads, maybe 4 or 6, because I wanted something like that. So let's continue. So we'll just put aside that bag again. So I'm definitely almost done. I'm so excited. So we're finally done, and that's actually my last piece of pearl. I still got left of the sparkle, but the pearl was not enough. So what I'm gonna do is I already tied the end, and I'm gonna need the last for the hoops. So hopefully this one will be perfect. If not, then I have to find other way again. So I think I'm gonna have to tie it more just to make sure. And put these hoops, and hopefully this one will stay longer. So this is the bag. It's finished. It's not perfect. I know I still need to learn how to lock it properly, and it's definitely long, but you can always adjust. It depends on your shoulder, and you can't make it like this because of the this one it cover, but I can do this. Look at the this is definitely beautiful, but I'm gonna need this one a gold to match this, and definitely kind of light blue to match the color of the the bag. So I'm just showing you the example so you can remove it and just move to your other bags, but it need to be matched. So I'm gonna need gold one for that.